Hello, my name is Heidi, and I work as an international sales specialist at Hooeasy. To all Hooeasy partners, both current and future, today I'd like to share my journey and personal growth here. I joined the company 8 years ago, starting as a newcomer in international sales. At that time, I didn't yet fully understand the product, the market, or the complexity behind manufacturing. What I did have was curiosity, self-discipline, and a strong desire to learn. From the very beginning, the company invested significant time and resources in training. I learned not only how to sell, but also how our products are designed, tested, and manufactured, from material structures to real-world applications. As my understanding of the products deepened, the way I communicate with clients began to change. When I could explain why a solution works, not just what it does, confidence flowed naturally. What I value most is the company's systematic approach to developing people. There is a clear structure supporting long-term career growth, mentorship, product training, and continuous improvement. Becoming the sales champion this year is deeply meaningful to me, not only because of the result itself, but because it proves that when effort meets the right environment, growth is truly achievable. From our partners, this means you are working with a team that understands both the market and the manufacturing behind it. For me, it means growing with a company that truly believes in quality, people, and long-term value. This journey begins in 2017, and it is still ongoing.